clean freaks, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys a throwback video. I did this video on my main channel, and this was done a few months ago in the winter time. And I'm just going to be giving you a cleaning slash organizational video today, some motivation to get you guys moving. I am cleaning out my refrigerator in this video and my pantry, and I'm also going to be doing some organizing. Now, in this video, it was a while before I did this video that I cleaned out my refrigerator. I normally like to clean my refrigerator out at least once a month because we're a family of 5 and it just gets used a lot, the refrigerator, and it just gets so messy with kids. So I like to normally clean my refrigerator out once a month, but in this video it was months, like after Christmas of last year, that I cleaned out my refrigerator. So it was a while after Christmas that I got to my refrigerator. So I'm just kind of showing you how messy it is. This is real life, you guys. I have kids, we cook every single day, and this is what my refrigerator looks like. And I'm okay with it because it's real life and it's real life messes. And I'm not trying to show you a clean refrigerator. I'm trying to show you a real life dirty refrigerator and what it looks like at the end. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end so you can see what the results are and what it looks like, because it is completely different. I'm also going to be putting away some groceries because on this day I did go grocery shopping. So you're going to get to see all of that as well. So if you like videos like this, let me know down in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave, just some suggestions as to probably what I can do better or how I can, keep my refrigerator more organized or my pantry more organized. I want to know from you guys, how do you keep your refrigerator clean? What tips and tricks do you have? And also how you go ahead to organize your kitchen so that your life can be a lot easier. So I'm going to jump back into the video a little later, but go ahead and enjoy, and hopefully it inspires you and motivates you to get up and clean and organize with me today. And yeah, enjoy the video, enjoy the music.
Gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just gotta knock some vibes, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
So right here, you guys are gonna see me kind of just looking like I'm ranting and raving a bit. I was a little bit upset this day. One of my kids upsetted me so bad, and I was talking to my husband about it because he was kind of scolding the kids about something that happened, and it upsetted me really bad that this person did that, not my husband, but that one of my kids did what they did. And so my husband was, kind of just in the kitchen talking to me and asking me what happened and what went wrong, and the best way that we handle situations in our home is by talking it out. And as you can see here, I was very upset, and my husband was really just trying to just help me get through it. So, and he did, and the person apologized and everything was fine. But it's real life, you guys. This is real life mama moments.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to.
So if this is your first time watching any of my content, my name is Shushana and I do have two channels here on YouTube. My main channel is Regal Designs by Shushana, and over there I do a lot of DIYs, crafts, home and seasonal decor, some shop with me videos and thrifting videos. I also do some hauls here and there. So if you guys like that type of content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 12 noon. And it's a lot of awesome and cool motivation over there. We have so much fun. It's extremely positive. And this is my second channel, which is my cleaning channel called The Cleaning Queen. And I am having so much fun, you guys. So I upload here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12 noon as well. And it's a lot of cleaning motivation, organization, and some decluttering. And I'm just having a ball, and you all are so supportive. And I am so grateful that you guys are clean freaks with me, and we're getting it done one cleaning motivation at a time. So if you guys like any content that I put up, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to both channels. I will definitely link both my channels down in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe. Double tap that bell so that you receive all my notifications. Give the videos in the channel likes and make sure you share them if you like what I am doing here. Also comment, because I love talking with you guys and interacting with you guys. I have met so many cool people here on this channel or even in this community, and I am super duper excited about our relationship that we are forming here. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe so that you will also join in on the fun and all the motivation that you guys can receive, and also the tips and tricks that we're doing here on our channel. Also, don't forget that I do have an Amazon store. It is linked down in my description box. You can stop by. I have a lot of seasonal decor. We're getting into the fall season, so a lot of fall products that I have there, and Christmas products, and just your everyday home essentials. Thank you to everyone that has already supported my Amazon store. I am super grateful to you. You guys know who you are, and I just appreciate your support so much. So thank you guys so much. I am not going to talk anymore. I hope that you guys are motivated and that you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to be unique, inspire, and be inspired. I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching.
I am finally where I belong, on my own. I am made it a long way from home, on my own. I can do anything. You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. it slow. Work things out so you don't let me go when I come real close.